This is the engine with the EGR removed. I'll just pull out the bolts that hold on the EGR again. We're here, there, down there, and the one that goes through here. That one. Here's the EGR off the vehicle. This is a working EGR I took off because I had an oil leak coming from there, which is probably to do with the too much pressure in the engine from the I'm hoping it's either the valve guide seals. But here's an EGR. I've actually cleaned it at this point of time. Didn't think to take a video while I was actually cleaning it. It's a vacuum controlled EGR and it's working, and I'll just show you it working in a second. As the car creates the vacuum from the vacuum pump here, it goes on there, it goes through this valve at the end and back to the EGR valve along this thing here. So I've got a vacuum pump here which has got a bit of vacuum on. You can see the EGR valve opening, and as I release the pressure it closes, and that's a working EGR. So again, get a vacuum, open, release the vacuum, and it closes.